8 witnesses have already taken the stand in the Brendin Horner murder trial. The state suffering yet another blow yesterday when some witnesses did a 180-degree turn on their own statements, saying that they didn't write them down. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi has been following the story for some time now. He joins us now live from Bethlehem ahead of that continuation of the trial. Linda, a really bizarre turn of events in court yesterday. What's behind this about turn by the witnesses, and not just one of them, but a number of witnesses saying that they did not write down their own statements?
Yeah, Michelle, it's really a startling turn of events, really, when you look at the time that the state had to prepare this case. It has suffered a number of blows in this case, starting with the DNA not linking the accused to the actual crime, but also now looking at the statement. These are statements that they've made under oath, and the defense is really looking into the additional statements that have been made. Some of the witnesses made these additional statements months after they made their maiden statements, and the defense is questioning why they've been sitting with certain information. And now one of the witnesses, Jafta Kambule, saying that in fact he did not write the statement, is saying that there are quite a number of people that are part of this case that do not like the accused and would make sure that the accused are prosecuted for a crime. Now, he says that, some of the police are even involved in these statements. We saw another witness also coming, Michelle, saying that some aspects of her statements were not true. But these are statements that they wrote. You'll remember, they all have to sign those statements under oath. This is what they make under oath. So it remains to be seen really how this case will unfold, or if the state will even continue with this matter, given the fact that the witnesses are really, poking their own holes in their own statements. Michelle?
So where to from here in terms of the state's case, Linda?
So the state is expected to call more witnesses. You'll remember that they've listed around 36 witnesses, and so far they've called 8. The 9th witness came yesterday, and she said she wasn't in a position to testify because she was feeling ill. So at this particular point, they gave her an opportunity to go consult with a doctor, because she did indicate that, she couldn't breathe properly and wouldn't be able to testify. So that witness was given a chance to go and consult with the doctor. We're still expecting more witnesses, which include, some of the police officers that may have taken those statements. Some of the names have been mentioned in court from the witnesses, saying that certain police officers were the ones that took certain statements. We're still yet to hear from the investigating officer, Captain Mayberg, who came during the time of the bail application, saying that there were witnesses that saw the accused coming from the direction of the scene where Brendin Horner had been murdered. But of course, this has now been affected by the about turn that the witnesses have made. Michelle?
Linda Mnisi, live to us there from the court in Bethlehem ahead of that appearance, the continuation of that case.